So here is a quick and easy video for the kids to get on Clever so that they can get onto Education Galaxy, Epic, all those things. Especially if they don't have their Clever card with you, this will always work. So if you go into the Google Classroom, if you click on classwork, if you go down to resources and links, Ms. Curry posted this Clever login. So when you click on it, you should get to this screen. If they have their Clever card, they can use it here. But if not, you can type in your school. And then scroll down. And there we are. Once you get here, you should get to log in with Active Directory. All the kids have to do is log in the same way they log into Google Classroom. So mine's already done, so I'm just going to click here. And it's going to take me to like the Google Classroom page that says your login and your number. So theirs will be different. It'll be their 5-digit number at students.saisd.org and then their password, which is their birthday. And it's month, day, year. Does that make sense? And then for them, it should just say that I'm a student, and it will go straight to this page. But because I'm a teacher, mine looks a little different. So from there, they can just scroll down, get onto Education Galaxy, and go from there.